Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture on the subject linguistics. Today we are going to deal with the topic branches of general linguistics. We know that language is the most effective tools of communication. It is the most effective tool in other areas of knowledge too, because language is the carrier of our informations, feelings, messages, etc. Thus, linguistics, which is the scientific study of language, is interrelated with the other subjects also. Now, let us see what are the main branches of linguistics. Basically, there are two main categories in branches of linguistics: macrolinguistics and microlinguistics. In macrolinguistics, we divide two categories: interdisciplinary and intradisciplinary. Let us go through the names of the interdisciplinary topics: sociolinguistic, psycholinguistic, neurolinguistic, stylistics, cognitive linguistics, computational linguistics, etc. And in intradisciplinary, we deal with the applied linguistics, theoretical linguistics, descriptive linguistics, and comparative linguistics. Now, let us see what are the components of microlinguistics. The component of microlinguistics are phonetics, phonology, morphology, semantics, and pragmatics. Let us go through the definition or meaning of the subtopics of the macro linguistics. The first one here is sociolinguistics. What is sociolinguistics? Sociolinguistics is the study of how language is related to the society. It also studies how people affect language usage. That is to say, the variety of people are there. There are different races, genders, status, ages, etc. These things affect the usage of language. All these things we study in sociolinguistics. Our second topic is psycholinguistics. What is psycholinguistics? Psycholinguistics is the study of mental aspects of language and speech. It is primarily concerned with the ways in which language is represented and how it is processed in the brain. It is worthy to know the term psycholinguistics was first introduced by American psychologist Jacob Robert Cantor in his 1936 book titled An Objective Psychology of Grammar. But the term was popularized by one of his students named Nicholas Henry Pronko in a 1946 article titled Language and Psycholinguistics. Coming to the third topic, it is neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the study of biological basis of language. How language is acquired, that is studied in through the branch neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the attempt to understand where and how the human brain operates in both the creation and comprehension of symbolic communication. It looks at how things such as syntax and semantics, nouns and verbs, and the effect of pragmatics on the nuances of meanings are processed within the human brain. Now, let us deal with the topic stylistics. According to the dictionary of stylistics, it is defined, the stylistics is defined as the not simply to describe the formal features of text for their own sake, but in order to show their functional significance for the interpretation of the text, or in order to relate literary effects of linguistics causes where these are felt to be relevant. So, studying a text closely helps to unearth or dig out the layers of meaning that run deeper than just the basic plot which happens on the surface level. Coming to the cognitive linguistics, what is that? Let us see it. Cognitive linguistics is a cluster of overlapping approaches to the study of language as a mental phenomenon. Cognitive linguistics is the study of language in its cognitive function, where cognitive refers to the crucial role of intermediate informational structure with our encounters with the world. Cognitive linguistics that assumes that our interaction with the world is mediated through informational structures in the mind. So, it is more specific than cognitive psychology. However, by focusing on natural language as a means for organizing, processing and conveying that information. Next topic in the same is applied linguistics. In applied linguistics, we studied the descriptive linguistics, historical linguistics, theoretical linguistics, descriptive and comparative. Now, coming to the micro linguistics, let us see what are the components of micro linguistics. The first one is phonetics. Second one, phonology, morphology, semantics, and last one is pragmatics. Let us deal all these components and define them one by one. Phonetics is a component of linguistics that deals with speech sounds. It also deals with the articulation or production, transmission, and receptions of speech sounds of human beings. Next topic in the same is phonology. Phonology is a component of linguistics which deals with the way in which sound functions in a language. We know that each language organizes the sounds selected by it in different ways. Thirdly, the other topic is morphology. Morphology is dealing with the words and understanding the way in which the words can be divided into smaller and smaller units. For example, lovely. Lovely can be broken into two parts of the words, love and lee. Lee where it is suffix, and whereas the love word itself is the basic word which cannot be further divided. Next topic here is semantics. Semantics studies with the meaning of the given words. There are many types of meanings. Basically, there is literal and broadly there is literal and abstract meaning. Coming to the other topic, it is pragmatics. What is pragmatics? It is the study of use of language in the given context or in the actual conversation. That is to say that pragmatics deals with the implied meaning and it interprets the speaker's actual intentions. With this, we come to the end of the lecture. Thank you.